Hello? Move this chair a bit. I'm a dynasty. I'm gonna read Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Little Blue Truck's Christmas by Alice Shirtle. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Ooh, can you find a red thing? Red thing. Okay. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Oh, how many numbers are there on the trees? 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? What is on the tires? What are those things on the tires? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. What comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. How many birds are there? Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? How many cars are on the road? Count them. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Wow, how many birds? How many little birds are there wearing little hats? Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. How many trees are left in the truck? Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. How many little piggies are there? Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. How many baby goats are there? How many baby goats? Let's see. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What a very good luck. What very good luck. How many stars are there? There's a lot of stars. A lot of stars. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Oh, okay. All done.